set hostname for JTMK1. Then enter interface G000. Then IP at 172.16350.255.255.255.00. Then no shot. After that, interface serial 010. IP at 10.0.352.255.255.255.252. Then no shot. Set hostname of JTMK2. Interface G000, no shot. Then interface G000.10, then encap.1q10, and set IP 192.168.351.255.255.255.192. Then no shot. Then exit. Then enter interface G000.20, then encap DOT1Q20, then set IP which is 192.168.35255.255.255.224. Then no shot. Then enter interface G000.30, encap DOT1Q30, then set IP 192.168.359.7.255.255.255.240. Then no shot. Then exit. After that, enter interface serial 010 to set IP which is 10.0.35.1 255.255.255.252. Then no shot. After that, enter interface serial for 020, set IP 10.0.355.255.255.255.252. Then no shot. Set hostname for JTMK3. Then enter interface G001, set IP 172.168.35.0, 255.255.0.0. Then no shot. After that, exit and enter interface serial 020, set IP 10.0.35.6.255.255.255.252. Then no shot. For PCH1, set IP address 172.16.35.10 and the subnet 255.255.255.0 and the default gateway 172.1635.0. For PC2, set IP 172.16.35.20 and subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and default gateway 172.1635.0. For PC VLAN 10, set IP address 192.168.35.3 and subnet 255.255.255.192 and the default gateway 192.168.35.1. For VLAN 20, set IP 192.168.35.67 and subnet mask 255.255.255.224, default gateway 192.168.35.65. For VLAN 30, set IP address 192.168.35.99 and subnet mask 255.255.255.240 and the subnet 192.168.35.3.97. For switch 3 of JTMK2, first set hostname switch 3, then enter VLAN 10, then name of the VLAN 10 is admin, then exit and enter VLAN 20, set the name which is staff, then exit. After that, VLAN 30, name it as lecturer, then exit. After that, enter interface FA01, then switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN 10. After that, enter interface FA02, then switch port mode access, then switch port access VLAN 20 to access the VLAN 20. Then interface FA03, switch port mode access, then switch port access VLAN 30. We will go to interface G01, then switch port mode trunk. Then after that, switch port trunk allow VLAN all to make sure it can connect to each other. Then enter again of interface FA01, switch port mode trunk, then switch port access VLAN 10. Then switch port trunk native VLAN 10. After that exit. Then enter interface FA02, doing the same as the interface FA01, switch port mode trunk, switch port access VLAN 20, then switch port trunk native VLAN 20, then exit. After that, interface FA03, then switch port mode trunk and switch port access VLAN 30, then switch port trunk native VLAN 30, exit. For configure DHCP v4 to JTMK2, first, then IP DHCP excluded at IP 192.168.35.1, 192.168.35.2. Then do the same but the different IP, which is 192.168.3565, 192.168.35.66, and the last is IP DHCP excluded at 192.168.35.97, 192.168.35.98. After that, do the IP DHCP pool VLAN 10 network 192.168.35.0, 255.255.255.192. Then set the default router, which is 192.168.35.1. Then set domain name, which is jtmk.org. After VLAN 10, we will doing for the VLAN 20. Enter IP DHCP full VLAN 20, then set the network IP 192.168.35.0, 255.255.255.224. Then set default router, which is 192.168.35.1. Then set domain name, which is jtmk.org. The same thing for the VLAN 30. IP DHCP full VLAN 30, network IP, which is 192.168.35.0.255.255.255.240. Then the default router, which is 192.168.35.97. Then set the domain name jtmk.org. To implement HSRP configuration, we will go to JTMK1. Enter interface of G000, enter, then standby 1 IP, which is 172.16.35.254, then standby 1 priority 150, then exit. After that, we will go to JTMK3, then enter interface of G001, then enter command of standby 1 IP, which is the IP 172.16.35.254, then standby 1 priority 100. To implement next hop static route on JTMK1, which enter command of IP route 192.168.35.255.255.255.0, then the serial it will go through, which is 10.0.35.6.6, IP route 192.168.35.0, 255.255.255.0, and 10.0.35.1, IP route 192.168.35.6, 4, 255.255.255.224, 10.0.35.1, IP route 192.168.35.96, 255.255.255.240, and the serial 10.0.35.1. Next hop IP for JTMK2, IP route 172.16.35.0, 255.255.255.0, 10.0.35.2, then IP route 172.16.35.0, 255.255.255.0, 10.0.35.6. For JTMK3, we will do the next hop static route. IP route 192.168.35.0, 255.255.255.0, 10.0.35.1. Then the same IP, but the last for the serial is 10.0.35.5. Then next, IP route 192.168.35.64, 255.255.255.224, and the serial is 10.0.35.5, 192.168.35.96, 255.255.255.240. So for PCH1, go to command prompt, then try to ping PC2. After that, then try to ping VLAN 10. So the ping was successful. Then try to ping VLAN 20. So the ping also successful. Then the last try to ping VLAN 30. So the ping also successfully. Then go to command prompt of the PC2, then try to ping H1. So the ping was successfully. Then try to ping VLAN 10. After that, try to ping VLAN 20 and the last VLAN 30. So the ping also successfully. Next, go to VLAN 10 PC, go to command prompt, then try to ping H1. After that, try to ping PC2, then PC VLAN 20, and the last one is try to ping PC VLAN 30. So the ping was successfully. Next, go to PC VLAN 20, go to command prompt, and try to ping H1. Then try to ping PC2, then try to ping VLAN 10, and the last try to ping VLAN 30. The ping also successfully. Go to PC VLAN 30, go to command prompt, then try to ping PC H1. Then try to ping PC2, then try to ping VLAN 10, and the last try to ping VLAN 20. So the ping was successfully.